To make the fried chicken 5-spice, I've got 4 chicken thighs that I'm going to be using. So I'm just salting them all first. I'm using mushroom flavoured dark soy sauce. So I've added 2 dessert spoons of dark soy sauce, and now I'm adding some fish sauce. I'm using the squid brand. Just add a few drops onto each of them. Turn it over and put some on the other side. And now I'm going to be adding oyster sauce. Also 2 dessert spoons. And now I'm going to be using Chinese 5 spices. And now just massage it in. Once you've massaged all the spices in, just cover it and put it in the fridge so that it can marinate for at least 2 hours. Just put enough oil into the wok so that it will cover the chicken. So now we're dusting the oil in, and as you can see, the bubbles are coming off the chopstick, so that means the oil is hot enough. The chicken's been marinating for 2 hours now, and now we're going to start frying it. They've been cooking for about 15 minutes, and now we're going to take them out. I've just plated up the chicken by putting it on some rocket, or you might know it as arugula, and now we can just serve that. We're serving the chicken with this plum sauce and some garlic sauce. Thank you so much for watching.